2 chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, which are about a quarter of the amount of the tomatoes. We've got some curry leaves, a couple of red dried chilies, a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. About 6 to 7 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and also some salt as per taste. Heat a tablespoon of sunflower oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and the dried red chilies. Once the mustard seeds stop popping, you can add the onions. Saute the onions on a low to medium heat setting for a couple of minutes. When the onions are a light golden colour, add the tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes on a low to medium heat setting again for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. At the end of the 3 minutes cooking, this is the sort of consistency you will get. Remove from the heat and leave to cool for about 10 minutes. 6 tablespoons of yogurt, salt, and stir. This is the consistency.